Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a blast from the past, flying ultralight aircraft between 1978 and 1980. This was certainly the golden years of ultralight aviation. It was certainly a thrilling time of the year with ultralights booming from every direction, and I flew what was called the Easy Riser, but I extended the wings, and so technically they call it an easy wider. You'll notice the top of the wings were 3-foot extensions on either side. One of the things that I did is I added landing gear, Yarnell's landing gear. There's no way I was just going to pick up and run with it. Also, I had a Mach 2 chainsaw engine, and a friend of mine was a go-kart racer, and he said, let me tune up that engine, and it went from 7,500 to 15,000 RPM. So I would richen it out to 10,000, just kind of save the motor. And there was about 3 of us that had Easy Risers in the Houston area flying at the time. Really a lot of fun. When the 100cc Yamaha engine came out, it changed everything. It made flying, the engine was so reliable. You could get 50 hours at full power before you had to change the piston out. Just an amazing change that just really lit up the ultralight industry. Now this is Gord flying, and he would pick it up and run like hell. Really just something to watch for sure. Again, I decided, nah, I'm not going to run mine. And that's why I use landing gear. But here you'll see some of the photos as he got airborne, and he needs to retract his landing gear pretty quick. The glider shop was in Houston, Texas, and it was right next to the Astrodome of all places. And we actually had a runway running north-south and east and west. And here's us, the gang. There's Gordon on the left, and I'm over there on the right. And I just love this photograph here. Somebody's taking off and everybody's watching. And there's the Astrodome in the background. Coming up next is the golden years of ultralight aviation, a blast from the past. Let's watch.
chance you can get airborne from. But there is a team of Houston brothers who has come up with sort of a solution to this problem. David Glad is out with the liveness tonight. Cameron, to have a report on that subject. David.
Well, we do, and Nick Greger is one of the brothers who has come up with this idea. I guess you and your brother have perfected this gliding routine with a motor. What prompted the motor? No hills, I guess, would be a good reason.
Well, I'm an ex-California pilot, and like you said, there are no hills here in Texas. So you've got to get up somehow, so we use a 12-horsepower motor.
This whole contraption is made of what? Metal, small motor, and what are the wings made of?
Okay, the wings are made from a Dacron material in the covering. It's a 1.3-ounce Dacron, and it's a foam and spruce cap strip for the rib.
Not exactly cheap, about $1,500, right?
It's going to run about $1,575 for the entire kit.
So it's expensive. Gordon Cross is in here getting ready to go. Let me just check with him. Gordon, are you all set? No problem?
I'm ready as I will be.
A lot of wind out there.
Just a little bit too much, but I think I'm going to make it all right.
You've got an astounding record of how much flying time?
I'm working on my third hour.
Third hour. Good luck. Not a lot of time. We're going to move back while they get ready. I've just seen he just put something in his mouth. What is that?
Okay, he's putting an automatic kill switch into his mouth. Since the hands are busy, you can't really release from the hands to kill the engine. Okay, so if you've got a problem on your takeoff, you have to be able to dive.
Okay, we're going to move way back here and have the camera move back also because the noise is so loud. Now, the wind could be a problem here today. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's blowing a little bit over 15 miles an hour. Our best is at 12. And the reason we're using Gordon is to show that anybody can fly one of these things.
All right, well, we'll see what happens. There he goes. You give us a play-by-play.
Well, he's in a stall takeoff right now. He's going to keep trying. He's turned away from the wind. He may be able to get up, but I'm not sure. There he goes. He's stalled again. This should prove interesting. Like I said, he's a very low-time pilot.
No, he didn't come in. They say he's supposed to come in, but the wind keeps catching him. Here he comes. He just cut the engine. The engine is cut. The engine is cut. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. The engine is cutting. Yeah! Here he comes.
Hope you enjoyed this video, a blast from the past. Be sure and look up my other videos on YouTube. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the air next time. Bye-bye.